Good morning, ma'am, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity to. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Joshua Dagoya, 20 years old, um, and I am from Purok 8, uh, Kiabaton, Barangay Dominga, Kalinan District, Davao City, and currently living here in Grabahan, Matina, Rosing. And I am currently enrolled this program BS in Criminology, or Bachelor of Science of Criminology. Third year, graduated from during my high school years. I graduated from Sumimao National High School, and during my senior high school years, was in Panabo National High School. My father is a farmer, and also I'm a farmer too, and I am pretty proud of it. I enrolled this program because of my family's influence. Uh, I enrolled this program because of my family's influence, uh, and because of the uh, influence of the friend of my father, which is the policeman.